How to change text to speech voice on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. If you want to change text to speech voice on TikTok, you first of all want to open the TikTok app on your device. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you want to record a video of at least 2 seconds. After you have recorded the video, now you want to add in the text. Now go ahead and enter any text you want. Once that is done, you want to tap on the text and then select text to speech.
Hello.
Now, if you want to change the voice of this text to speech, all you want to do is tap on the text option again. Now you want to type something from another language. After this, you again want to tap on that and tap on text to speech.
Hola.
And as you can see, the text-to-speech voice has been successfully changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.